We'll be playing with some sand here. And let's get to it. I'll pause it for a sec. Okay, I'm back. I just had to set up because, you know, me, but... Wow, are you okay, guys? Again! Stop that phone. Okay, please. Thanks for my birthday. Did I tell you guys for my birthday I got a phone? I don't think so. Okay, here's my free piles of kinetic sand that I got from not the South Park Mall where I got the fluff stuff. Okay, what's that face I just made? Like and subscribe if you really want kinetic sand. Oh, what is wrong with me? I turned into a monster or something. Here, Maverick. Okay, let's get back to the video. So, if you guys want a cupcake, comment. Okay, time to flop it out. You guys like it? I need to cut this in half. Perfect now. This is basically like an ASMR video. For a girl watching this, I guess I'll just make a unicorn. I'll be back with a surprise. Hey guys, it didn't turn out so well. Ah! I guess. Yeah, it really didn't turn out well. Yeah, I'm embarrassed. Yeah, I'm embarrassed of my videos. Please, guys. By the end of 2024, can I at least have 1,000? You guys are probably going to be like, oh, 1,000. But please, guys, seriously. I'm not trying to be mean or anything, but I just want to start getting paid. If I could afford a real camera, or I could buy myself a real cameraman and a real editor, because Eva is not really a good editor. I get she's better. I uploaded the music video. She doesn't even know how to add music. My mom will probably come in like, who are you talking to? And I'm just going to be like, for viewers. Like and subscribe. Comment if you want me to make a new ASMR video. If you guys liked the ASMR video, and if you didn't watch it, go scroll down my videos and you'll find ASMR just called that. Guys, I'm sorry. Like, I don't have to be losing subscribers. Like, we're trying to gain, not lose. You don't have to subscribe to the Chicken Nugget Squad. She's trying to pass me. You know what I'm saying? She's not going to pass me at all. She goes to my school and she's always like, I'm going to pass you in subs, even though she's only at 8. Come on. If you're subscribed to the Chicken Nugget Squad, please do not subscribe to her. Unsubscribe. And also, I see your video. You're trying to pass me. I wonder how her mom runs so fast. Her mom's at 26. Okay, bye guys. Make sure to like, subscribe for we could pass people and subs. There's no way we're passing Mr. Beast though because he's a lot ahead. By the time I'm 13, I'm 9 right now. 8. By the time I'm 13, can we please have my YouTube channel to 1 million subs? That's gonna take a second now. I'll make videos every day for you guys, and if you want me to slow down, tell me in my comments. I check my comments all the time. Not like the Stokes ones, like I don't check my comments. Bye guys. Be sure to like, subscribe.